Meet Keychain, a compact, stabilizing camera that allows you to create cinematic videos you can use every day in any situation. You can be hands-free at a birthday party, vlog, or document everyday life. Unleash your creativity with hands-free cinematography. Versatility at your fingertips. Options of accessories to release your hands and explode your unlimited inspiration perfectly. Keychain puts the power of 4K in your hands, allowing you to capture non-stop memorable videos anytime, anywhere. Love the view? Take a time-lapse. Or capture your viewer's attention with slow motion. Say goodbye to shaky video with camera stabilization. The options are endless. The only limits are your creativity. You can access your content at any time, edit your footage, and share it with friends and family from the palm of your hand. AKASO. Go beyond. Back us today.
ANC on. Ambient sound. Ambient sound.
Please call Amy.
Yeah, I'll be there.
Introducing the Pro 1X, a smartphone designed to put you back in control, brought to you by FX Tech and XDA. The Pro One X is the world's first consumer smartphone to run Lineage OS out of the box, the platform that gives you control over your data, control over your privacy, and control over your software. The truth is, smartphones don't give their users a whole lot of choice when it comes to software. Like us, you're probably tired of being forced to share your location history or having apps on your phone listening to your conversations or tracking everything you do. But it doesn't have to be like this. At FX Tech, we want everyone to have this deeper level of control and choice on their smartphone. So we've chosen two of the most secure and open OSs in the industry, Lineage OS or Ubuntu Touch OS. The Pro One X is the world's first consumer smartphone to run Lineage OS out the box, offering the pure Android experience that many of us love while giving you the power to control how much information is shared with the apps you use. The phone's privacy guard allows you to manage app permissions and root access so you can keep your private life private. For Ubuntu users, the Pro One X is the most powerful Ubuntu Touch smartphone ever made. Thanks to a Qualcomm chipset, it runs the interface super smoothly and seamlessly transitions from a smartphone to a fully functional desktop. Simply plug it into your monitor and experience Ubuntu like never before. And sometimes you just can't beat a physical keyboard. Whichever platform you choose, you get to enjoy our unique split-screen multitasking experience and the power of 64 keys at your fingertips. We've also increased the RAM and storage while keeping the best features our community loved about the Pro One.
I love the aluminum body, the notification LED on the front, the stereo speaker, the SD card slot, and of course the 5-row backlighted keyboard.
The best thing about the Pro One is that I don't need to worry about leaving my laptop behind because I can work on the go from my phone.
That's what it comes down to for me, to have a real keyboard, to have tap to switch between form functions and such, and that's the main benefit for me. So keyboard, yes please.
So can I recommend the FX Tech Pro One? Of course I can, without any doubts. I already for myself bought a second device in case this one goes missing or gets broken beyond repair.
The XDA community is world renowned for going above and beyond the traditional smartphone experience. By partnering with FX Tech, we're really excited to bring the advanced features of both Lineage OS and Ubuntu Touch to a much wider audience.
Myself and Chen co-founded the company back in 2018 at a time when the keyboard smartphone market was, in our opinion, crying out for innovation.
We designed the Pro One to be the best landscape keyboard smartphone. We won awards, featured in media, and shipped to more than 50 countries. What's most amazing are reviews from customers who share our passion for better functionality in smartphones. Having shipped thousands of Pro Ones in the past 12 months, we are really excited to bring the Pro One X to as many of you as possible.
Whether you're a Lineage user who wants the best privacy OS or an Ubuntu diehard who wants the ultimate Linux experience on a mobile, with your backing, we will bring you a smartphone that puts you back in control. The Pro One X. Back us today and choose your OS.
At OmniCharge, we believe in innovative power solutions. Introducing the Omni Off-Grid Power Station. Powerful, compact, and versatile. The future of off-grid power. Designed with the help of our backer community. Together, we created a versatile and compact power station. An all-in-one solution to power all your devices in any kind of situation. Like powering this entire video production. Its functionality and portability enables you to be ready at all times. Whether it's powering your camera gear for that epic shot, keeping your laptop charged so you can work anywhere, powering the tools you need for your off-grid campsite, or staying connected as you discover uncharted places. Because Omni Off-Grid is more than just a power station. We've developed Omni Connect, an add-on module which allows you to set up your own private network. You can communicate and share your location data between all your devices, even when there's no cell signal, giving you the confidence to explore without ever losing touch. So, sit back and let Omni Off-Grid power all your adventures. And for those who'd like to extend their stay, there are many convenient ways to recharge the power station, giving you the flexibility to live your life on or off-grid. OmniCharge, making off-grid power and connectivity possible.